Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. I want to give you a new buy recommendation this evening on Chevron, ticker CVX. And while I think the market could be dicey, those of you that follow me and have seen the S&P outlook for me, I think we're in a reflux rally, which is almost done. But all that, I have to follow the chart. When I see a good chart, you got to buy it. And one other thing is that, right now I'm long Antero Resources, symbol AR, which is more natural gas. Also long Saudi Arabia, which hasn't broken out. It's been a tough one. It still hasn't broken support yet. And I'm long crude oil, which is a contrarian call. And so let's get into this. I still think this chart looks great, and I'm going to buy it. So this is the 1, 2, 3 year chart on Chevron, and we have a symmetrical triangle with both the support line and the resistance line coming together. And we have an A, a B, a C, a D, a E. We have all the necessary touches. This is a weekly chart. So each one of these candlesticks, each one of these bars represents a week of price action. So we had a breakout on Friday. For the week, Chevron was up almost 5%. So I hate chasing this. And so I would scale into this position. I'm hoping crude is down tomorrow and Chevron is down tomorrow. I'll be buying it more aggressively. If it's here or higher, I'll buy a little bit, but I'm certainly not going to load up. So the price projection based on, if you take the base of this triangle and project it upward, you come up with 212, which is about 31% potential upside. I'm putting my stop at 147. So we have about 11% downside. So the reward to risk is almost 3 to 1, which is really a necessity for me. I don't like buying anything with less than that. So the chart looks great. It's textbook. We'll see what happens. Commodities make, stocks like this volatile, but they can be profitable. And so, Chevron pays a good dividend. And anyway, this chart looks good. Let's take a look at the point and figure chart, which is the purest supply and demand chart, the least subjective chart. And so what we do have here is a bullish trend line, which I like. We had a big base here, accumulation for, I don't know, 5, 6 months. And, you can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quadruple. I don't even know what that, I guess, quadruple or so breakout. And so the price projection based on this breakout, this is a big base. You want big base breakouts, is 211. So it kind of lines up with what my chart said at 210, I believe it was my price projection. So they're in the same landing area. Just showing you crude oil. Again, this is a contrarian signal, and crude's going to have to go up for energy stocks to go up. And you can see where we bought back on March 8th. We're up a little bit. But here's your support line, major support. If it breaks this, everybody and their brother is going to short crude oil. And, you have a lot of people shorting it now. And that could be one of the things that help crude oil go up a lot if they get shook out of those shorts. So here's where we're at. Crude oil, I think, once we can get above 75, 76, we can say this is a true breakout, and crude oil has a long way to go. Seasonality, it couldn't look better. It bottomed and it had a pullback here in the middle of March. Should go up for a while according to seasonality, but please, seasonality is just a tendency. It is not, it doesn't have to follow seasonality, and we've seen that happen in many things. Biggest was the S&P 500 at the end of last year. The Santa Claus rally never happened. And so crude oil seasonality is in our favor. Crude oil goes higher. I think we'll see energy prices go higher. And I also think this is in our corner. This is about 10 days old, so I apologize for that, but I'm sure it hasn't changed that much given that crude oil is up 1 or 2% from when this came out. But this is a chart it's the Commitment of Traders report, and it divides the futures markets into three groups, and the commercials being one of the groups. The commercials are the big boys, people in the business, the big institutional investors. So this is the Exxons, the Chevrons, the other people who make a living based on oil prices. They are at a really big bullish position. Now, they're never net long or they're never totally bullish because they hedge their product. They got a heck of a lot of oil on their books, but this is the least hedge that they've been matched three prior times, going back all the way to 2015. So that's a bullish setup. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends and neighbors. Thank you very much. Have a great Sunday evening and good trading to you tomorrow.